The Yamaha MT-15 V2 stands as a masterpiece of design and engineering, an embodiment of power, aggression, and modernity. As it sits in a luxurious showroom, under the soft glow of ambient lighting, the bike commands attention with its striking stance. The sleek, sculpted fuel tank, sharp LED headlights, and aggressive street fighter aesthetics define its dominant presence. Every line, every detail speaks of Yamaha's dedication to innovation and performance. Step closer, and the muscular form of the MT-15 V2 comes into focus. The Delta box frame, engineered for rigidity and precision, seamlessly integrates with the lightweight aluminum swingarm. This combination ensures stability at high speeds and agility in tight corners. The bike's dynamic design isn't just about looks, it's about aerodynamics, efficiency, and an unrivaled riding experience. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-15 V2 is a high-performance 155cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering exceptional power with cutting-edge variable valve actuation technology. This advanced system optimizes performance across the RPM range, ensuring a perfect balance of torque and top-end speed. Whether carving through city streets or accelerating on the open highway, the MT-15 V2 delivers relentless energy and smooth, controlled power. Technology meets innovation in the MT-15 V2's ride dynamics. The assist and slipper clutch enables effortless gear shifts, reducing rider fatigue while enhancing control. The 6-speed transmission ensures seamless acceleration, allowing riders to push limits without hesitation. This is a bike designed not just for speed, but for a refined, exhilarating experience on every ride. Suspension and handling redefine precision on the road. The inverted front forks absorb road imperfections effortlessly, providing a responsive and confident ride. The rear monoshock, with a link-type suspension setup, ensures a balanced feel, keeping the rider in control in every situation. Whether navigating urban landscapes or embracing open highways, the MT-15 V2 remains composed, stable, and ready for action. Braking is uncompromising, with a dual-channel ABS system offering superior stopping power. The 282mm front disc and 220mm rear disc work in harmony to provide controlled deceleration, ensuring safety in both sudden and gradual braking scenarios. Every aspect of the MT-15 V2 is engineered for rider confidence, allowing full control in all conditions. A futuristic digital console enhances the rider's connection with the machine. The negative LCD display provides real-time insights, from speed and fuel levels to gear position and mileage. With Yamaha's Y-Connect app integration, the bike offers smart connectivity, keeping riders informed of calls, messages, and maintenance reminders, all accessible with a simple glance. The Yamaha MT-15 V2 doesn't just perform, it captivates. The aggressive twin-eyed LED headlamp illuminates the path ahead, ensuring visibility in all conditions. The sharp LED taillight leaves a lasting impression, complementing the bike's edgy persona. Every ride is a statement, a showcase of modern engineering and bold street presence. Designed with efficiency in mind, the MT-15 V2 offers impressive mileage without compromising performance. The fuel-injected system optimizes consumption, making long journeys seamless and cost-effective. Whether for daily commutes or spirited weekend rides, the MT-15 V2 blends power with practicality, offering an experience that's as thrilling as it is efficient. The showroom itself reflects the bike's stature. Polished floors mirror its sharp contours, while ambient lighting enhances its sculpted bodywork. The name of the showroom, displayed elegantly on the wall, adds an air of exclusivity. Every aspect of this space is designed to match the premium feel of the MT-15 V2, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and excitement. Color options enhance the bike's visual appeal, from bold matte finishes to striking dual-tone schemes. Every shade complements the aggressive styling, ensuring that the MT-15 V2 stands out in any setting. The premium paint quality, sharp graphics, and well-integrated panels highlight Yamaha's attention to detail. The ergonomics of the MT-15 V2 are tailored for both comfort and control. The upright riding position, coupled with slightly rear-set footpegs, offers a commanding stance. Whether cruising through city streets or taking on twisty roads, the rider remains engaged, confident, and in complete control. The well-padded seat ensures long-distance comfort, making every journey enjoyable. Safety remains a top priority. The ABS system prevents wheel lock-ups, enhancing braking performance in all conditions. The high-grip radial tires ensure superior traction, providing confidence on wet and dry roads alike. Yamaha has engineered the MT-15 V2 to deliver not just excitement, but a secure and reliable ride. The exhaust note of the MT-15 V2 is unmistakable, a deep, resonant growl that signals its aggressive character. The sporty upswept exhaust, designed for both performance and aesthetics, adds to its dynamic appeal. It's not just a machine, it's an expression of power, refined and exhilarating. Beyond the showroom, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 continues to leave an impression. It's a bike that turns heads, sparks conversations, and dominates the streets. For enthusiasts who demand a perfect blend of performance, technology, and style, the MT-15 V2 remains the ultimate choice. Owning this masterpiece is more than just having a motorcycle, it's about embracing a lifestyle of thrill, confidence, and unmatched riding pleasure. Yamaha's extensive service network ensures that every MT-15 V2 owner enjoys seamless maintenance, with genuine parts and expert support always within reach. For riders who seek more than just transportation, for those who crave an adrenaline rush with every twist of the throttle, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 delivers. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the experience, the thrill of riding something extraordinary. The Yamaha MT-15 V2 in a luxurious showroom isn't just a display, it's an invitation. An invitation to experience the pinnacle of street fighter performance, to embrace cutting-edge technology, and to own a machine that redefines the way you ride.